Good day, everyone. This is Sergey once again. And for today's lesson, I am going to discuss to you about finding the probability of an event. Okay, so let us recall some important features of probability you have learned in grade 8. So these are: drawing a card is an experiment that generates the result called possible outcomes. Another example of an experiment: tossing a coin, spinning a colored wheel. So that is an example. Those are example of experiment. The set of possible outcomes is called a sample space, or denoted by a capital letter S. A set of some possible outcomes satisfying a given condition, getting an ace, is called an event, denoted by a capital letter E. An event E is a subset of the sample space S. So in a sample space, denoted by a capital letter S, where each outcome is equally probable or equally likely to happen, the probability of an event E, denoted by capital letter P, quantity of E, capital letter E then, is given by, so ito yung ating formula to find the probability of an event E. So we have probability of an event E is equal to the number of favorable outcomes in the event divided by total number of possible outcomes in the sample space. So in symbols, we have P of E is equal to N of E divided by N of S. Okay? So let's have an example. Okay, example number 1. A family has 3 children. Find the probability of having 3 boys. Then for letter B, 2 girls and 1 boy. So we will use a tree diagram showing the possible genders of the children. Okay, so teka lang class ha. Ayan. Gagamit ako ng puting ink. Okay, so for the first child, okay, sa first child tayo. Okay, first child. Ayan, it can be boy or girl, right? For the first child. Then sa ating second child, okay, second child naman tayo. Okay, sa ating second child, it can be boy, parehas na silang boy, or it can be girl. Right? Then, dito naman, pwede rin siyang girl-boy or girl-girl. Ayan. Then, sa third child naman natin, sa pangatlong child, okay, sa third child, pwede siyang boy, okay, tatlong boy na, or dalawang boy, isang girl. Right? Then, pwede ring boy, girl, boy. Or, pwede rin siyang boy, girl, girl. Okay, then next naman dito, girl, boy. So, girl, pwede siyang girl, tapos dalawang boys. Ayan, girl, boy, then boy. Or pwedeng girl, boy, girl. Then next naman is pwede siyang maging boy, boy, girl, girl, boy, or girl, girl. Puro girls. Ayan. So yung ating outcome dito is, ito yung ating outcome. Okay, the outcome here is, okay, erase ko lang ha. Yung ating outcome dito is, Okay, so the outcome here, okay, we have tatlong boy, pinakauna, then boy, boy, girl, then we have boy, girl, boy. Then we have boy, tapos puro girls, dalawang girl. Then we have girl, dalawang boys. Then we have girl, boy, girl. Then we have girl, girl, boy. And we have 3 girls. Okay, so ito yung ating mga possible outcome. So in total, there are 8 possible outcomes. So hence, we have, dito ko na lang isulat ha, n of s, dito na lang sa taas. Hindi na pala siya kasya. N of s, okay, n of s is equal to 8. Okay, there are 8 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ngayon naman, yung sa letter A natin, having 3 boys. Okay, having 3 boys. So, we have here, having 3 boys. Okay, so we have only 1. Okay? Having 3 boys, we have only 1 here. So, for letter A, the number of favorable outcome having 3 boys is only 1. Okay, so dito sa ating N of A, sa letter A, yung ating N of A or the number of favorable outcome in letter A having 3 boys is only 1. Okay, so to find the probability of this, we have P of E equals, N of A, N of A, N of A. Okay, palitan ko yung ating A kanina doon. Capital letter yan. Ito. So, that is capital letter. Okay, so yan ay N of A equals 1. So, P of E, to find the probability of an event having 3 boys, so we have P of E equals N of A divided by N of S. Okay? So, that is equal to, yung ating probability dito is P of E equals 1. Yung ating N of A is 1. Then, ang ating N of S is 8. So, 1 over 8 or equal to, pwede natin siyang gawing decimal. So, paano natin siya gagawing decimal? So, para gawin natin siyang decimal, that is 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8, gamit lang tayo ng calculator, so that is 0.13. Okay? Or 0.13. 0.13. Or, pwede natin siyang gawing percent. 0.13 or 13%. Okay? So, ito yung sa letter A natin. Then, for letter B naman, having 2 girls and 1 boy. So, for letter B, yung ating N of A dito is N of B. The number of favorable outcome in the event B is having two girls. Okay? So, isa. 2 girls yan. Then, ito pa. Dalawa. Okay, so right. Then, 3, 4. Okay? 2 girls and 1 boy. 3 lang pala. 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is 3. 3 lang yung ating favorable outcome sa event B. Having 2 girls and 1 boy. Okay? So that is equal to P of E. P of E equals 3 over 8. Right? 3 over 8. Or 3 over 8 or pwede natin siya gawing decimal. So 3 divided by 8 is equal to 0.38. Okay, 0.38 or 38% or 38%. So ito naman yung sagot natin sa letter B. Okay, ayan. 3/8 or 0.38 or 38%. Para gawin natin siyang percent, i-move mo lang itong 2 decimal places. Itong decimal point natin, i-move mo lang yan. You will move 2 decimal places going to the right. Okay? So yan ay magiging 13% na or 0.13 ka lang, 0.13 times 100. So that is 13%. Times 100 mo lang. Okay? Yung decimal natin na 0.13 times 100, magiging 13%. Then, ganun din sa 0.38 times 100 lang din. So, that will become 38%. So, that is the probability of having 3 boys sa letter A, which is 13%, 1/8 in fraction, 0.13 in decimal, 13% naman siya kapag ginawa natin siyang percent. Okay? Then, sa letter B naman is 3/8 or 0.38 or 38% lang ang ating probability having 2 girls and 1 boy.